All right, my friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Have you ever played a game to lose? Really, I expect to lose almost every single game, and I think that's just part of being essentially getting better, right? If you play with somebody that you win all the time, it's probably not going to be fun. It's probably not going to be the best thing out there, right? It's probably going to be one of those things that, you know what, you're just not going to get better. So don't be disappointed if you lose. Really don't be, Sometimes it happens. It is what it is. I don't really get disappointed. If I lose, I lose. Let me make this bigger real quick. There we go. So again, let's start this game right here. I hate when we start with the queen out, by the way. I don't like it, but let's kind of follow the roll right here. So D5. Again, we come over here. See what's happening here. So again, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Like I say, I have many stories of playing chess with people that I used to get beat up all the time. Like when I was a little kid, I think I was about 12 or 13. I used to play against my stepfather son, and I think he was maybe about 17 or something like that at that time, right? And I was like maybe like 12, 13. And I'm going to tell you, this dude used to kick my butt like big time. He did it all the time. It was just horrible. The guy always used to win. But again, it always gave me like, I guess in a way, a desire to get better, a desire to learn a lot, a desire to keep pushing forward. And I've been doing that for a long time, really have. And again, you know what? If I lose, I lose. I really don't care, really, to tell you the truth. But again, it's just one of those things that, people always want to win. It's okay if you lose. Really, it's okay. So here we go. See what happened here. I don't know what he's trying to do here, but it's getting a little complicated. I got to pay attention to this. If I don't pay attention, I'm going to get my butt kicked. I'm not that good. Really, I'm not that good. So let's kind of push forward here. Make that queen do something. And let's see what's going to happen. Hopefully something that is not going to mess me up. But let's see. I was thinking to kind of castle back here the long way, but let's see where we're going to go with this one. Let's kind of develop a little bit more. I like to castle the opposite way so I can essentially attack with my pawns, but it is what it is. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to come forward here. I'll take with this side right here. And the reason why I did that is I wanted to do this, but obviously he did it before me. So it is what it is. Let's see. Let's move forward. Kind of want to put my queen right here on C7, but all right, let's push forward here. Oh, no way. No way. Come on, dude. Man, I hate when I do that. Yeah, I totally hang that one. I totally hang that one. That just sucks. Yeah, I'm making it worse. I'm just making it worse as we go. Let's just castle. Man, I can't believe I did that. Really, dude. Really. That is definitely frustrating, dude. Wow. I hate when things like that happen, but it is what it is. I feel like my audio is speaking a little bit. Let me come down here. Check. 1, 2, 3. Sounds better now. I'm still fighting. Here's one thing, a lot of times people give up in the middle. I hate giving up. I really hate giving up. And I hate sometimes when people don't want to finish the game. You know, like some guys out there, they just want to stop it. You know, like, hey, finish the game, man. So, again, you never know when somebody's going to make a mistake. I've seen guys hanging their queens and things like that. So you never know. Look at how I hang my knight right there without paying attention. But it is what it is. So, by the way, I'm coming up to 11, or I'm at 1142 right now. I've been trying to hit that 1200 for like months, or like a month or something. And it has been really, really not good. Really not good. So let's see what he's doing. He's taking his sweet time. It is what it is. I can't take this bishop right here. The knight is protecting that. You can see right there on D2 protecting bishop E. But I kind of have a little bit of a trick that I'm trying to do. Let's see what we can do here. I'll tell you what, he's coming for me. He's truly coming for me. He's trying to bring that knight over here. Oh, nice. Okay, so his lineup here into the H7 file. Obviously, kind of didn't hang completely, but leaving that rook right there at D5, hoping that I would take it. But that's just not going to happen. I'm not going to take it. So let's kind of come here. See what happens now. It's coming from me. It's truly coming from me. I'm going to back up here. Oh, don't put it there. Don't put it there. Don't put it there. Put it here. Yeah, maybe right there. All right, here we go. Let's see if he's paying attention. If he's not paying attention, we're going to come down to F2 right here and give him a check. Then come, someplace around here. I got this here too. So let's see what happens. Okay, so he took. So we do a check here. So if he takes my, all right, we're gonna come over here, right here. If he takes my rook right here, I come to checkmate here. He could simply stop it, but just by taking this bishop right here with the rook D5, taking on D6. So he stopped the whole game. I don't know what he's gonna do next. Man, it's getting kind of tight. It's getting kind of crazy in here. Let's see what's going to happen. Come on, baby. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Because if this guy doesn't make a mistake, he's going to ram me up. So, again, he took right here, which I was kind of expecting that. I really was. So, let's see. How do I take this? I don't know if I want to take with that. Okay, we take here. He's probably going to take my rook, F8. Nope, he did not. So let's come here. Okay, so F2 with my rook right there. I don't know what's going to happen next. It's getting pretty intense. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left in this game. And I'm going to tell you, this game could go either way right now. I knew that he was going to do that. I kind of knew that. So, let's see. If I take, he is going to take with the queen. Okay, let him take with the queen. Check. So he's going to come with that queen. If I come down here, all right, let's go there. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Came down here. Oh, life is getting complicated, guys. Life is getting complicated. I know he can't come down here. Just going to take this. I'm going to come here. I mean, technically, ooh. Man. Let's see. Give me a second. Give me a second. I got to think. Check. Hmm. Think he wants to come here. Got this bishop pointing down this way. Tried to push this pawn g5. I'm going to try to push it forward. Kind of figured he was going to go there. Man, it's getting complicated, dude. It's getting complicated. I think we're done here. I think we're done. It's going to come down here, and it's pretty much done. Queen g5 right here with the queen, and I think it's done. Yeah, I think it's done right there. Anyways, it is what it is. Like I say, you know what? Sometimes you gotta, you know, sometimes you gotta know that you're gonna lose. Sometimes you gotta know you're gonna lose, and by losing, you're gonna get better. So again, this was an awesome game. This guy played an awesome game. I enjoyed it very much, and I thought it was really, really good. So again, whoever he is, Great game, man. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. And as always, God is in control.